My name is Richard Morse. I'm the Vice President of K4. The leaders of K4 have been in this industry collectively for over 100 years. So we have a lot of control panel experience. We bring a lot to the table as far as customer service, quality, innovation, and being the best in our class. Now we're starting the implementation of Eplan because we want to be better at what we do. The Eplan products that we use are Pro Panel, P8, and Smart Wiring. Pro Panel is very intuitive and easy to use. It helps you with your layouts. It's going to tell you where you're putting components too close to each other because the components have smart data behind them. Smart Wiring, laying out your wiring diagrams, it's going to go from pin to pin and start placing the wiring in for you based off of how you've told it that you want things to be set up. Eplan is a smart tool. They have amperage data, they have layout data, they have connection point data to help you utilize the correct part for the right location. We have a Perforex machine and we have a Secorex machine. And both of those units tie together utilizing the information that comes out of Eplan. We're just at the infancy stages of using it, but once our Eplan library is up, it's going to be very quick and easy to make new panel designs. Oh my gosh, so Rittal automation has completely changed our fabrication processes. At one point we had 30 people just in our fabrication department, cutting and drilling and tapping holes. And we're down to 2 people now that can do the same workload as those 30 people. Our quality assurance has really been increased because of this machinery. Also, Eplan implementation is going to change our assembly by going paperless. That's the biggest advantage. Changes are happening live on the software. If the panel builder sees something that's wrong on the drawing, they can redline it and send engineering a red line right there. Engineering can then change it, fix it, and send it right back without having anybody even walking into the office. With the Rittal automation and Eplan implementation, you're taking away all of the human error. All the design work is done on the engineering side. It's all vetted out through Eplan's part building process. The mistakes that happen in the fabrication process are very greatly reduced. Therefore, scrap is very greatly reduced. Labor is greatly reduced. And now the operators of our Perforex machine are elevated workers. Now they run computers instead of running hand drills. Eplan now is very interactive. When we have an Eplan documentation package and we print that to PDF, the PDFs are smart PDFs. The client can click on the component and it'll take them to the wiring location where that thing is located in the schematics. So jumping back and forth between the schematics and the layout is very easy for the customer. As far as bills of materials go, the bills of materials come in with little QR codes for each one of the materials and a little picture of the material so that people can see really what that is versus a part number that may not mean anything to somebody. Eplan documentation really takes it to the next level, both for panel building and for the client to be able to see and understand what kind of product they've purchased. One of the struggles we've had on getting new employees in here is that some of them don't know how to read wiring diagrams. Utilization of smart wiring and the use of tablets to take smart wiring to the shop floor is a great tool. It shows them clearly in a pictorial version what wire duct they need to route it through, what pins they need to land on. All they have to do is be able to use a tablet and they can wire a panel. The value is utilizing Rittal for more of our components and our machinery and our software, becoming a good partner with Rittal and Eplan, having good support systems, and being able to fast-track product and repairs to a machine or anything that needs to happen.